my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Renegade dance, which is very popular on TikTok. I guess it's the most popular dance right now. And I've done a slower version on my channel. You can check it out if you want to. But this is more of a quick version, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is a whoa. If you don't know how to do a whoa, you just imagine that you're throwing something and you catch it. Now we are gonna say stop like this with our hands, and we are gonna clap. It's 1, 2, 3. Now we are gonna do an A with our hands. Our hand is in a fist, and we are gonna go to one side, then to the other side, and we are gonna do a wave. So it's 1, 2, wave. Let's try it once more. 1, 2, wave. Now in the wave, our hands are in fists, and the A is connected to the wave. So right after the A, we're doing the wave. And let's do it from the beginning. Whoa, wave, clap, A, wave. Now we are gonna do, I call this the reverse clap. It's basically, we have our hands folded, like as if we were in school, like this. And we're gonna clap and go back to our starting position. So it's 1 and 2. Let's start from the beginning. Whoa, wait, stop, A, wave, clap. Now we're gonna say wait again. We're gonna do the same thing with our hands, and we are gonna do a side punch. Now to do the side punch, what we have to do is step to the side, and our left hand is bent in front of us, and the right hand does like a circle. Our hand is in a fist, obviously, because it's a punch. And now we are gonna click. So we are putting our legs together. We're just gonna go forward and click. So it's gonna be like this. Whoa, wait, clap, 8, wave, clap, wait, side punch, click. And now you're gonna go forward to the side, and we're going to cross our arms. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3. Here our legs can be together. They can be apart. However, it's more comfortable for you. I like to put them apart, as you can see. And now we are going to do a step forward with our left leg. And our hands go back. We're going to try to connect both of our elbows. And now we're going to dive in like this. Our hands are together, as you can see. We're doing 1 and 2. And now we are going to do 2 like punches. So our hands are in fists, and we are going 1, 2. Start with our right hand. And then we are going to dab. I know most people dab like this, but for this dance specifically, we are going to just use one hand. And we are going to bend our left leg. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Now let's start from the beginning. Whoa, wait, clap, A, wave, clap, wave, side punch, click, forward to the side, cross, 1 and 2, and punch, punch, dab. So after that, what we're going to do is another side punch. So we're going to do the same thing as before. We're going to do a step to the side. Our left hand is bent in front of us, and we're going to do a circle with our arm like we did before. And now there's a part when they say like woo. So we're going to do this with our hands. It's just there in front of us. They cover our face, and we do a little circle with our head. And now we're going to do 1 and 2. So in the song they say so that's like what we're going to do. And we're going to do like little steps. So while we do that, we're just going to step with our right leg, step with our left leg. And now, like this last part, everyone does it differently, but how I do it is I cross my arms, I uncross them, then I cross them up here, I uncross them, and then at the end I do whatever I want. And that is it. Let's do it once more from the beginning, and we are done. We're doing whoa, wait, clap, A, wave, clap, wait, side punch, click, forward, side, cross, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, side punch, woo, 1, 2, 3, 4, last movement, quick version, so if you want to see the slow version, make sure to check it out on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on TikTok. This